to part 2 where we talk about muscle tissue. Please check part 1 so that you have the right foundation to understand what we're discussing in this video. So, we said there are 3 types of muscle tissue. Now, I want us to differentiate all 3 in terms of where are they located, the type of movement, how do they look, number of nucleus, and the function. Let's start with the skeletal. Skeletal is found around the skeleton. Remember, we have 2 categories of skeleton, the appendicular and the axial part. So the muscle that surrounds both the axial and the appendicular is called the skeletal. So that is where it's found, around the skeleton. And then the smooth muscles, they help with peristalsis. So they are found in the digestive system, the organs of the digestive system. They help with movement of urine, so they are found in the urinary system. And they are found in the reproductive system, where they help with the movement of the semen. And then we have the cardiac. Cardiac is only found around the heart. It's only in the heart. Controls the contraction and the relaxation of the heart. So, done with location, what type of movement in the skeletal? Because I decide to walk, then it's voluntary movement. Voluntary movement. And then in both the cardiac and the smooth is involuntary movement. Involuntary movement. So when you ate something, you don't know, all you know is you ate meat, and then you don't know by now, is it in the stomach and you don't even control. Is it now getting absorbed in the small intestines? You have no idea what's happening. But the smooth muscles are in control. They help in the movement of the food through the process of peristalsis in the digestive organs. Then, how do these muscles look like? Now, the skeletal muscle has got striations, these small stripes, and then it's got, in terms of the number of nucleus, it's got multiple, so it's more than 1 nucleus. So it's got multiple nucleus, more than 1 nucleus. And then this is the smooth muscle. It does not have any striations, hence it's even called smooth muscle because there's no striations. And it's only got 1 nucleus. Single nucleus. And then this is the cardiac muscle. The cardiac, it's got some connections called intercalated disc. This big stuff, this big line here, intercalated disc, to be discussed in the next video further about the intercalated disc. They also have single nucleus. You can see in each cell there is single nucleus. Now, what is the function of the skeletal muscle? As the muscle contracts, it pulls the bones together and pulls also the skin, and hence movement occurs. So it's for movement by contraction, which result in moving the bones and the skin. So this is the function of the skeletal muscle. Then the smooth muscle is mainly for fast tracking the peristalsis movement. So it helps. We said it's found in the digestive system. So it helps with the movement of the food. It helps with the movement of the urine. It helps with the movement of the semen. And then the function of the cardiac muscle is found in the heart. It contracts and relaxes. By so doing, it facilitates the pumping of blood from the heart to the blood to the body through the arteries, which are the main blood vessels. So it's for contraction and relaxation of the heart. This results in results in movement. This results in movement of blood through blood vessels to the rest of the body. So this is the function of the cardiac muscle. So go through this table because it gives the differences in terms of the location, movement, appearance, nucleus, and the function of the three types of the muscles. Now we are going to go to part 3, where now we're going to talk about the individual muscle, like the skeletal, the cardiac, and the smooth muscle. So we're going to talk about all of them individually. See you in the next video.